On this trip, I went to North Cascades National Park in northwest Washington, about 2 hours outside of Seattle. My first night, I stayed at Nehalem Campground and did a short little hike right before dark next to the Skagit River. Yes, I do cook basically on the floor of my van. Uh, Obviously, nothing's touching the floor because I have my propane tank on the floor, and then I prepare everything on top of my Rubbermaid container. If it is raining outside or if it's too cold, I can cook on my bedside table, and I have a little window that I put a fan in and exhaust the fumes out that way. There are grizzlies in North Cascades Park. Here in this picture, you can also see the Stellar Jay, which, when I stayed in Greenwater, knocked on my door at 6 a.m. And I thought, oh my god, there's a park ranger knocking on my van door, waking me up, telling me I can't sleep there, even though it's a legit campground. But it turned out that it was a Stellar Jay. At least they were really active outside of my van when I opened the door. Scared the crap out of me. If you've ever had a knock on the door of your van, then you know what's that like. But it ended up being a good thing. I got an early start on hiking at Rainier that day, so it ended up being a good thing. I made it to the top of Thunder Knob, and below me you can see Diablo Lake. Here you can take a ferry to the other end near Ross Dam, and it'll take you to the trailhead of a trail that will take you up to the Firewatch where Jack Kerouac stayed and wrote Desolation Angels. So if you're a big Beatnik fan, Kerouac fan, might be a cool place for you to go and check out, tour. This green color that the lake has is caused by something called glacier flour, like baking flour. It's basically the silt is suspended in the water, and the sunlight reflects off of it and gives it this color. back to the van, time for a little snack, and time to jump in Thunder Creek. It was freezing, of course, but the water was just an incredible blue color.